Good morning. So today is January 26th of 2025 and time check. It is 6:28 in the morning. Ayan. I don't know about you, but I've been waking up so early. I don't know why, even though I wanted to stay, late to so I could sleep late too. But my body's just waking me up every like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, and no matter what time I go to bed now. So anyway, so today I'm gonna start my day. I have a lot of things to do, including packing and shipping and sending invoices. I have sold quite a lot of stuff the past week or past days actually, so I have to do that. And so but before I start my day, I'm gonna share with you my favorite drink that I do every morning in my empty stomach. So this is my go-to drink every morning, empty stomach. Yan po talaga yung iniinom ko. It helps me with my bloating, my diabetes, and my high cholesterol. So yan po yung mini-maintain ko every morning, empty stomach. So yan. This is my ready to drink na empty siya. So konti lang yung nilalagay ko na tubig kasi para madali siyang maubos kasi it's not really that it doesn't taste that good. It tastes like grass, earthy, something like that. But yeah, this is really good for you, barley. If you guys are interested, let me know. I can hook you up. So this is it. There's a lot of different company or product na nagbebenta ng mga barley, but me specifically, I'm using the barley from I Am Amazing Worldwide. So they have really like good quality. I got this all the way from the Philippines. They do have distributor from New York, so pwede ka po mag-order doon sa New York, but me, I direct from Manila. I ship it here to the US in Washington via DHL. Okay, so if you want, I can hook you up with this, and I also supply barleys too, so you can pick up here in the house, or I can ship it wherever you are in the US. For those of you who followed me, you guys know that we went to Disneyland. We were there January 20 to 2022, and I've been back this 23rd in the morning. And when we get back from Disneyland, ayan, marami na naman akong gagawin na. So for those of you who followed me or us, alam niyo na pumunta kami ni Claire sa Disneyland with our friends. We were there for 2 nights, and nag-enjoy ang mga bata, and I enjoyed it too. And it was a short getaway, but it was a needed one for the kids, and especially for me. I've been working hard. I've been working with my business, and also working full-time as well, and plus being a single mom, ako lang at saka si Claire. So I've been working hard. We have goals, so we have to work hard, pray hard. Yan. So anyway, I'll show you what I've sold for the past days or weeks. So this will be my shipment soon. Like I said, it is January 26, 2025, and so here I'll show you. So this is my, we call this one Ukay Ukay room because this is where I put my Ukay Ukay stuff. When I do live selling, this is where I do it. So there you go. So all of these are sold stuff. Tingnan nyo, dalawang bundok yan, ang dadami. So this I sold for the last 3 days. I have to separate them and do the invoices. Yan. So, yan mga sold. Isi-ship na lang din. So, these are the sold items sa live selling, not including pa yung mga yung mga orders na per box. That's dahil may mga seller din tayo na nag-order sila ng mga box. So, ayan, for the past 2 days, yan, ang dami-dami. Siguro this would be like 3 boxes. So, ang per box is nasa 23 by 23 by 17, I believe. So, yan. So, lahat ito, in my estimate, nasa 3 boxes yan. And meron din akong 3 box na ready to ship na. Those are for the online seller na nag-order per box sa akin. So yun, this is where I do my live selling. So there you go, memories. Thank you guys for supporting me. And so, maggagawa tayo ng invoice kasi katapusan na ng buwan and we have pick up soon. So, gawa ako ng invoice, ibabox ko sila and then i-ship ko yung invoice sa mga nag-mine and then magbayad sila bago i-ship yung items. Ang hindi magbayad, di na makakaulit and hindi ipapadala yung items. So, this is a business with trust and respect na lang. Ay, mura lang po yung benta ko dito. Actually, marami nga nagsasabi, uy, ang mura ng benta mo. Parang ano, saan mo ba kinukuha? So, ayan, oh. When I'm, para sa akin kasi, I'm starting my business pa. Actually, this is magwa 1 year ako sa April 2025. And so far, it's been a really good business for me. So, ayan. So, sa mga hindi pa naka-follow and naka-support, feel free po to support, follow and like our page and our profile. So, dito ako sa profile this like may backup. May dalawa akong profile na backup kasi si Meta minsan hindi siya nagpapalabas ng mga comments during live selling. So, nag-i-exchange ako sa profile and sa page din minsan. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, I do have 2 distributor, 1 in Cavite and 1 in Agusan del Sur. So, pwede nyo pong pick upin yung mga items ninyo sa distributor para hindi po kayo bayad ng shipping. Kasi free shipping po ako, international shipping via Sea Cargo to the Philippines. Okay?